to break my manicure, so I use this tool from MT-RSR. Today we're going to be talking about the 1401A and the 1401. These are wheel weight install drips. They help you and assist you in installing wheel weights on a rim so you don't smash your fingers. Because we don't like to smash our fingers around here. The 1401 way is a great tool to helping you install clip-on wheel weights. If you don't want to smash your fingers and you want to make the job easy, go ahead and put it on the end. It is magnetic. It'll work for any steel wheel weight. Put it up against the wheel. Grab your, I recommend the UWT wheel weight hammer. It is also a remover. It's a great tool. Just like that. Available is the 1401A with the rubber grip or the regular 1401, both available on MT-RSR.com to make your balancing operations quicker and safer. Also available in bulk packaging for all your banging power.